Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Down at storage, attempt to wash the caravan today. It's not looking the worst, not looking the best, but see what you think. It's just spinning around, have a look what we got. Yep, definitely some black streaks up there, streaky down it. Got to get that done, haven't we? What we got? Streaks there, streaks there. I'm not sure what the roof's like, I'm not sure if I can reach from here. Streaks there. Yeah, I've got streaks everywhere. It's not too bad considering. But I can see there, dirt in the front there. See? That one's clean that and green in there. Yeah, we'll give it a good go over. I mean, it's not as bad as that one, so at least I'm going to wash that. Right then, so let's get ourselves set up. Put some equipment down to the storage today. Coming prepared. We have barrels. That's freshly sterilised, so I can use that in the van after. Water. And then water jet wash, just for the users. Well, I should get this lot set up and I'll come back to you. Right guys, we have all the equipment out, so we'll go through. We have water, black streak remover, we have pre-mixed caravan cleaner, we have the jet wash ready to go. It's only a gentle jet wash, so don't shout at me. And obviously I've got the pole to reach. Let's start on the front, see how we go. And come back to you very shortly when I've just done this. Guys, that's your first bit of this done. We'll get the rails nice and clean. Going over this afterwards. So a few streaks to get off with the cream, but so far so good. Let's tackle the back. Oh, we all love doing this job, don't we? What else would we be doing on the Saturday? Caravanning, maybe. Right, see you in a bit. Right, guys, caravan is absolutely pristine now. And that has took, believe it or not, about 40 litres of water. So here's a bit out of my aquarol, but also the 25 of the boat. And this is a twin axle caravan, so I'm going to give it a wipe over after. You can see no more green patches. So we're actually going away beginning of March. Going down to Morton Marsh just before our service, so we can have a look if there's anything wrong with the van before its first year. And then if it is, I expect it to get dirty when we go, but at least you can now see all the remnants, all the rails are now nice and clean. See, all the wheels are nice and clean. Rails are all out. Winter dirt has fell away. I say winter, but we're still in winter, aren't we? So, I'm going to give the van a quick wipe over.
Turn this upside down.
This is the bottom of the door, guys. S'mores here now. I'll be getting a beating. I'm in these because I just can't reach the rest. Oh, snick then. It's not small, didn't we? Right, how's that look? Much better, isn't it? Here's streak. Get that up with the crew when we're away. But generally, much better. Right, come back to you and stuff like that, guys. Right. Look at that now. I'll give it a good wipe over. It's had a little bit of gloss wax from some stuff I had in the car, just to give it a little bit more protection. See a little bit of a black line down there. Get that off the side when we're outside. Back, absolutely gorgeous. Love to see the back of the caravan gleaming white. To say, not doing that one. Nope. Hey, absolutely beautiful. And the wheels, I spent a lot of time on them, to be fair, but those are quite nice. It's pointless polishing the windows and all this bit, but what we have got is all that dirty green out the front of it again. Nice. So, just a couple of jobs to do on the inside of the van now before I depart. I better just stick the lock on the car. The car is actually open somewhere. Yeah, my door. Right. There it is. I'll turn around somewhere. See, it does look beautiful when it's clean. Hopefully I don't get the dreaded damp that seems to come from his top window. As soon as see, I say, no signs of it, but you know, I know Eldis has got a bit of a bad reputation for this caravan. So, right, let's get a bit of light in here while we're working. Oh, that's better. Quick check of the electric battery. See if we're still up to full. 13.7. Beautiful. Lighting working. Gorgeous. So, soon be using this. Soon be enjoying ourselves. Hopefully. Let's get these things out of the box to their place. Chemicals are white. Might have to move a bit of light here. That's it. A bit of light. Once we get some light, I'm trying to work. Oh, right. That's a couple of the jobs done. Let's see what we do now. Oh, I've got another job to do now, which is to. We're planning on changing our summer house at home into a bar area, so we're going to call that caravan bar, of course. We are planning on putting the bar in, which I've ordered. Now got to go and get some more electrical items so we can change a few of the electrical appliance outlets and get a wall mounted panel heater. So I'm going to get that and then see you guys back at home after, and hope you've enjoyed so far. The van is looking ready for action, near enough. Can't wait to get back in here. Obviously it's a bit of a long time since we've been out on the road, and been smaller, certainly looking forward to going out. And funny, Morton in Marsh was the last site we went to. Morton in Marsh is the next site we're going to. Weather pending, of course. So anyway, I'll catch you guys back at home shortly, or maybe if we can, a bit in Kew. Who knows? See you in a bit. Bye.